Hello everyone, so today is 19th of May and again let's discuss the performance of our HFT Algo Scanner. So right here as you can see, like 9:24 am, so 55.7 CR of call writing happened and it started falling from there, okay. So we'll discuss the whole performance, but again let's go for a recap. That is, I posted this video 5 am in the morning today and it was just a 3 minutes 55 seconds video where I clearly mentioned that I was like I would be looking for bearish trades. So why? What was the reason? So last Friday when we were live during the last like 2 hours, so here we saw that market Nifty was going up, but here mostly call writers were present, okay, and also we had drawn two levels, the yellow lines as you can see, where the put writing happened, the 100 CR put writing happened right below, and Nifty took support and went up, and right where at the top where the call writers were present, 25,035, okay, and the levels worked like wonders, okay. Now let's also see what happened. So as I said, I'd be looking for bearish opportunities, and also like the first candle that came on the HFT was here right at 9:24 am, and that was the top there, okay. So this is the reversal indicator, guys. So this is the leading indicator. So I have personally never seen, or still now I haven't seen any indicator that can catch reversals from almost the top or from the bottom. So like this, like before the move, okay. So after the move has started, so many indicators are there that can say like after the move has started, but again before the move has started, okay guys. So right at the top. So then like let's also go and see, like if we like huge call writing happened, 55.7 CR, and also like I posted this on X as well, if you go and check it out. So yes, I was here, so I posted this at sorry, not this one, so this one, okay. So 9:28 am in the morning, and let's see what happened after that. So let's go to the charts, and so we will be buying PE. So let's go to 9:24 to 28, okay. So 999, so 9:24 we got the signal, okay. So remember the HFT candle, so here 9:24 it came, so 9:24 is here. So the price was 157, and from there it went up to 179 or 180, okay. So that is the beauty of this indicator, okay. And also like for scalpers also, like from 157 it straight away went up to 169 or 170, you can say, okay. So that is also a good opportunity for the scalpers as well. Now coming down to so I'm going with the respect to the option buyers, and also like then after that, like some put writers were also present here. So since I was looking for bearish opportunities, so let's look at where the big call writers were present, okay. So here some big call writers were present here as well, like they were present, and after that we got some down move as well, and after that like again here was a major one. So this was the biggest one, and after that, like as you can see, so as we don't follow the deep red, so these candles also contain some deep red, okay. So this one was the second largest, and this is like 41.3 CR. So here you can see the call writing about 19.3 CR. So this is 36.6 CR. So this was the second largest, and again guys, so that was right at the top, almost top, and after that like one more green candle, and then after that it started like showing resistance and it came down. So again let's look at from 10:15 am in the morning. So we should have bought puts. So this is P 10:15. Let's go to 10:15. So 10:15, this is like here 10:15 the price is at 145. So from 145 it went up to 157, okay. So yes, not much, but still a good one for like 10 points is also a good one. And if someone would have waited, so it would have been till 175, but also we got some signals there as well. So let's go one by one, okay. So again like even within a very narrow range market, also see how nicely you can scalp, okay. So even scalping 5 points, 10 points, or even 5 points 3 times also gives you 15 points overall, okay. So now coming down here again, here you can see like here we saw 23.8 CR of call writing happen and 26.8 CR of call writing happen, okay. and so this is here, and this was again right at the top. So they shorted, and again market started falling. So let's look at the average price, what was at this region. So 1105, so till 1105, again we should have bought puts. So 1105 here, 1101. So again during this region, as you can see, the price is almost, let's take one of the average like 145. So from 145 it straight away moved to 175, 30 points move, guys. So like while people were saying that like for the option buyers, like even if you go and check out India VIX, okay, so India VIX wasn't moving, and after that also India VIX fell. So even in that also, like you're getting 30 points move. So it's a I mean good to go. And even like for the scalpers, again here as well there was this call writing. So 16.5, not big enough, but yeah, still good enough. Okay, so like this, like we got many call writing opportunities, and here some put writers came in, and as I already told you that like they were not much, so a small amount of put writing were happening. So as I already told you, I was looking for bearish opportunities, and I was also live and told you that I was looking for bearish opportunity. Here also put writing happened, but the big put writing that happened at the end, like here 1448. Okay, so let's move that level now to where those put writing happened, 1448 right here. And after that market took support and went up. Okay, so again if you are going for the bearish trades, like here again a fall came in, again here also almost right at the top, again market fell. Okay, and here the big chunk of put writers came in and it reversed. Okay, it took support there. So the point is that also like I was live during that time, and also some people got that 3 p.m. move even in Sensex as well. So here in Sensex also there was this move, and this move people caught it like the 3 p.m. move. Okay, so Sensex is 1 day to expire, and even like if we let's see, in even in Sensex if we zoom out, so yeah, sorry, yeah, so if we zoom out, so let's see, that is where like we got the big positions or the big chunk of position. So again this is Friday, guys, so let's come to Monday. So yeah, so this is Monday, and here 9:43 a.m. Okay, so again here if you see, the big one was here right at the top, guys. So that was the last green candle that was made. So this is the amount, like 44.2 CR of like call writing happened. Again here also if you see, put writing happened, but again here also some put writing happened. It's somewhat pumped up, but these are very very small amount, guys. So if you look at the amount, so it's nothing but like it's a very so it's 12.6 CR. Okay, so again like not like if the amount is not more than 20 CR, so it's not that trustworthy, because I mean the see here again the up move came, no doubt, like here also again put writing happened, up move came, but sometimes it might take some time. But the big ones, like it happens, and so the bigger the fund is, like the bigger the fund the institutions are putting, so the high probability that market will reverse in a very quick in a very short period of time. So again here right at the top, guys, that was right at the top, and now again you can go and check it out, like how things moved. Like let's check out like for Sensex 10:17 a.m. right. So let's go to Sensex. So since it's 1 day to expire, so those who trade, so they must know, like even in 1 day, so you get a nice advantage of premium getting spiked. So we should buy puts. So market so let's say market was at 82,400, so let's say 82,300. So let's go to 82,300, and let's see the puts. So 10:17, remember 10:17 the highest that happened, and right at the top. So now let's see if we have bought puts, then what would have happened. So again coming down here, so this is like, as you can see, 82,300 C sorry P, and we are looking at 10:17 a.m. So 10:17, so 10:17 is here. So that was the bottom, as I told you, like 323 or 320, as you can see. So the price was at almost 320 to 325, and right from there it moved to 369 or 370, as you can see. Okay, so 50 points move just within a matter of some minutes. Okay, like as you can see, like by 10:40, so it was 10:15, sorry, 10:18 or 10:17 to 10:40, so 23 minutes. Okay, and so it's right away giving you like 320 to 370, so 50 points, not even 50 points, let's say 30 points, 40 points, whatever you wish. So again, let's go to Sensex, and again some put riders also came in here, but again here call writing happened. Again, that was the right top. Okay, that was the right top, and again it fell. So again, let's look at the time. Here some call writing happened, and 11:05 a.m. So guys, again this is P. So 11:05, let's look at the price. So this is 11:0445. So 11:05, 322, and from 322 it went to 395, almost 400, almost. So almost like 80 points move. So again, forget about 80 points, capture 50 points. I mean, it's a very very good opportunity for the option traders, and I mean, like this is a leading indicator, guys. I mean I have been showing you for several days, and again here, as you can see, somewhat call writing happened, it got resistance. So as I mentioned, like in my video that I posted at 5 a.m, that go for the selling opportunities. Okay, so I would have been I would be going for selling opportunities, so no recommendation or anything. And also when I was live, like people caught the 3 p.m move here with the help of this candle, like the big one that happened even in Sensex as well as in Nifty. So, and that's the overall like analysis. And also like I posted this one, and also like this one, like even after that also, like the fall came in. So if you see here 9 so this post was at 10:23 a.m. Okay, so I posted like this analysis. After that it fell. So to show that like during the live market hours, it really does a very good job in catching the reversals. And if you want to catch the reversals, you have to go to the website and just subscribe for it. And again, this is the best indicator in the market for the option buyers, guys. And so I hope like you have enjoyed my live analysis and my live stream. So go and check out the live stream while we were live. And so that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.